this is Ashley Castellini Garcia, and I'm running for the 2015 Bodybuilding.com spokesmodel. And the reason that you should pick me is because I'm real, and people can relate to me, and I bust my ass, and I'm always on Bodybuilding.com. I love Body Space. I use it almost daily. I've had a long journey there and a lot of friends that I've connected with. I guess a little bit about me. I'm 27 years old. I'm a mommy to a 10-month-old named Bo. I'm a wife. I'm a full-time paralegal at a civil litigation law firm. And I'm a WBFF Diva Fitness Bikini model and competitor, and I absolutely love it. I'm on, like I said, bodybuilding.com, Body Space, and I have documented my full journey from the birth of Bo and all of his issues in January of this year, and my 60-pound weight gain, and then through my 60-pound weight loss and my first competition on October 4th, 2014, where I took first place. And it was a lot of dedication, a lot of staying focused, a lot of busting my ass in the gym, and, a lot of support from a lot of great people and a wealth of knowledge that I picked up. So through both Body Space and bodybuilding.com. And I'm your average country girl. I'm in Dallas, Texas, and I love to have fun. I probably look a hot mess right now. My husband and I just got back from a doubleheader. We play on an indoor volleyball rec league, so we just got done playing 2 games and got home and put our son Bo to bed, and now it's time for us to get ready for bed. I'm going to put our meals together for tomorrow, and then lights out. But I wanted to make sure to get this video in. So again, I'm real, I'm relatable, I know what hard work means. I'm up at 5:15 in the morning and in bed at 11 between workouts and meal prep and family time and my job and just everything, and blogging, and I love it. I wouldn't trade it for the world. This isn't a fad or a phase. This is a lifestyle, and I absolutely love it. So a little insight. This is why I think I am a little bit different than anybody else, or not anybody, but what stands me apart. This is maybe a little bit weird, but I'm in my bathroom actually, and the reason is because every morning when I get up, this is what I see in my mirror, and these are all my goals. I have them written down. I took a marker and wrote them all, so that every morning when I get up, I get to look in the mirror and I get to see what my goals are and why I'm working so hard. And one of my favorite sayings that I have written at the very top is, fail to plan, plan to fail. And I live by this because, I try to plan everything. I try to plan my healthy meals. I try to plan my workouts. I try to plan, time with family. And it doesn't always go as planned, but, it really helps to keep me focused and keep me organized and keep me motivated and help me to motivate others and inspire others and be inspired by others. So, it's kind of my way of just, like I said, staying focused and staying motivated every morning and every day, and reminds me why I live this lifestyle and, why I really want to help others live this lifestyle, because it is fun, and it's beneficial, but it's rewarding in so many ways, and I can't wait to continue on with it. So I guess you should pick me because I'm cool and I'm a goofball, and I love to inspire people, and I love to be inspired by people, and I work my ass off, and it's just who I am. There's nothing to hide here. I'm about as transparent as I can be, and you can see it all on Body Space. Been there for a while and will continue to be there. So that's why you should pick me. Talk to y'all later.